What's going on? Can you say hi to the camera, Ro? No? Okay. So we got some stuff to do today. What? Yeah. Can you see me on it? Yeah. So today we're gonna do the water pump on this 96 f-150. But first we're gonna get some cleaning done because my buddy, the owner of the truck, is gonna come through and he wants to help do it. So we're gonna get some help doing it. He's gonna pick up the parts, pick up what we need, and get that changed out for him. Try to get it back on the road today. But we will get back to you in just a second. So we're gonna start taking this water pump out. I already got this loose because I wasn't filming like a dumbass. And luckily on these old vehicles, these are just threaded on with these bolts. So take those bolts out. This will come off with it. And then we have to remove this. Well, we don't have to remove it, we just have to back it out. And then it'll make it to where we can get the water pump out pretty easy. We got a new one over here. And yeah. This is really simple. So I'm going to show you the downside to working on old shit. We snapped one bolt there and one bolt back there. Now we're going to see if we can't find a hardware kit for that and try to still get this replaced today. But I guess that's what we're about to do, and then we'll show you if we extract it or not. But we will see. This shit can be a pain in the fucking ass. We got the homie trying to figure out the sim, but it's probably where we're gonna end the video, because we gotta order some. We're just gonna order a whole new hardware kit for it, so we just avoid it happening in the future. But we're gonna get them extracted, order a hardware kit, and we'll make another video about it, putting it back on and everything. But we got it off. Just remove this, take out your fan and your fan shroud. It's pretty simple. I mean, these old trucks are as simple as they can get, especially these 5 liters. But if you watch, thanks for watching. I try to put videos out every Sunday. It's kind of my goal. But at least once a week. But say bye, Ro.